Hello my dear children. So today I welcome you all here with a new activity in which I will tell you how to make a rain gauge, right? So rain gauge is a device which is used to measure the rainfall. You might have heard that, or you might have read in the newspaper that today's rainfall was 30 mm, 7 mm. So how they measure it? So today I will tell you simple rain gauge which you can make at your home, and whenever the rain comes, then you can keep it outside or on the rooftop so that you can measure the amount of rainfall for that particular day. For that, you will be needing one water bottle, 2 liters or drink bottle you can use, right? And a cutter and a scale and sellotape. So what we will do and how we will do, I will let you know. First of all, what you will do, you will cut this bottle from this portion, right, with the help of a cutter, and then you will get the bottle like this. This is the portion, right? Cut this bottle from this portion, the top one, and then separate it out. Then take one small scale, 15 centimeter length, right, and just paste it with the help of sellotape like this, and the zero end should be towards the bottom. Fix it with the help of sellotape, the scale, 15 centimeter scale, right? After fixing, what you will do, you have to add a colored solution till the zero of the scale. So now after filling this till zero level, you can check. Now I have filled the colored solution in the bottle till zero level. Now what you will do, you will fix that cutted portion of that bottle in an inverted manner inside the bottle and make sure that it's tightly fixed. It should not be loosened at any end. Now you can see it's tightly fixed. Now your rain gauge is ready. So what you can do, you can keep it outside when it's raining. You can keep it in the garden, you can keep it on the roof, and when the rainwater will enter in it, what will happen, the level of this will rise, and then you can measure. If it's on 1, then you can see the rain is 1 mm, then if it is 3 mm. So this way you can calculate the amount of rainfall, right? This is the same way as you are getting the news, or on the newspaper you are reading the news about the rainfall. They are measuring with the help of rain gauge, and this is the simple rain gauge which you can make at your home. So thank you so much children. I hope you have enjoyed that video.